Hello, we will now see some more question regarding GATE exam. Before that, there will be some correction in my that previous video. That for the NMR question, I said that the answer will be 2.9, but answer will be 3.9 because we have to just divide by the frequency, given frequency divided by instrumental frequency, you directly get your answer. That is a 3.9. So this is one correction. And for ICL3 I am not confirm about that the tetrahedral answer, so the I check and the correct answer will be tetrahedral, means the incorrect statement. So it is a planar structure like this, I2Cl6, there will be 6 chlorine, and this will be planar. The incorrect statement will be tetrahedral. ICL3 is a tetrahedral in solid state. And regarding that inner sphere mechanism, I got to know that it is of chlorine in that the fourth option. So the slowest will be the water. The correct answer according to me will be the water. That is its show slowest inner sphere mechanism. Now let's see more question from GATE. This was asked for this molecule is given here. We have to, this is NAT type, and how many signal it give in a proton NMR. So this one, this two, this three, this four, and this five. So total 5 signal in NMR, proton NMR. The next question is come for 2 marks. They have given which following pair show only spin only magnetic moment. Along with that 3D metal, along with that 4D, that is D block along it is given. I know, I think 3 options, but I don't know the fourth option which, but generally this is the only 2 lanthanides are given. But only gadolinium show that gadolinium's magnetic moment is equal to your spin only magnetic moment, that is calculated using spin only formula. So this fourth option is get cancelled because they don't contain gadolinium also. For third option also contain, I think no, do not contain gadolinium, and the only A and B maybe with among that will be correct option. But cobalt show orbital contribution, so this will be higher than your spin only formula. So correct will be chromium and gadolinium. Now the next question from organic. So it is a organocopper Gilman reagent reacted with unsaturated alpha beta ketone. So first step will be the 1,4 addition like this, CH3 will act and negative, and your selenium, the next step, the second step, it will form, that is a selenium pH and CH3, and the if you followed peroxide or oxidation carried out, that selenium pH will leave and you will get your double bond and methyl. So this is a correct option regarding that. Next is a ring expansion using the ring expansion rearrangement taking place and using Grignard reagent. The first step it happened that CH3 minus will attack there, and you will get this type of structure, O minus, CH3 and H is there, and there will be after addition in acidic condition there will be ring expansion take place and you will get this type of product. So correct option will be methyl. Chlorine and methyl will be same carbon atom. And next is this is I think NGP reaction. So correct option will be OAC, that is acetic acid will attack on the opposite side of OAC. The next is given that butyl, it is I think photochemical reaction. It is a ring opening, means this will be first and butyl will be reduce iodine to hydrogen. Then in AIB and HMU condition it will be form this type of structure with no double bond in between ring. So this is a correct option, I think that. And there will be 2 options regarding these are the 2 I think aptitude question. The first that had and would be the fill in the blanks for that, and that there was one paragraph for 2 marks is given, and correct option will be I think option number 1, that the dictator wasn't unsuccessful regarding africanizing that name of that Congo, means he was not successful to rename that Congo river and I think a Congo country. So correct option I think will be the first option. And the next is a reduction, so B2H6 selectively reduce your acid, and after acidic condition you get your this type of product. And the next is a oxidation using PCC. So first step oxidize PCC, oxidize alcohol into aldehyde. The next step is a acidic condition zinc Br, so it will form this type of structure. so this will be the correct option. Now next was the organic. I think this is also NAT type, and what is given that pure R show minus 112 rotation, and your sample is showing minus 82.82, 82.88, and what will be the percentage of S in that? So around it comes around, according to me, 13%. And the next question was cobalt amine. There was complex contain 3 bromine and 3 water, along with ammonia is there of the cobalt. I don't know about the metal, but I think cobalt was given. So what is there? They said they added the excess of silver nitrate solution, and you get PPT of silver bromide, and the silver bromide PPT obtained is 0.94 gram. So there are 4 options. What will the correct formula for that option? So according to me, only one bromine will be the outer sphere, because it will react, you will get AgBr. But how many mole you have to calculate using that number of mole formula. So according to me, I think third option was given there, 2 water and 1 bromine. So this is about the some questions on the organic and inorganic part. I have covered, I think last video I have covered 26 plus 12, so I think 38 questions regarding that on the GATE exam. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.